What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I recently posted a video, and I have also in the past talked about how nowadays most of the time we're not doing curbs or curb adapters, but there is an application for them, primarily like today in a commercial setting. You can see up here, we're on top of this commercial building, and all of the units are already sitting on curbs or curb adapters. So sometimes the owners of commercial buildings are looking for the absolute most cost-effective option, and in this case that is indeed the curb adapter. So we're going to go ahead and do that. They also don't want to be changing stuff around because the building is, typically leased or rented. So they're not trying to mess with, any of the original engineering or the original design. It's not like a home where the homeowner can decide whatever they want and do whatever they want that'll benefit them in the long run, right? A curb typically is noisier. It has reduced airflow, which can, cause equipment to fail earlier than normal, etc. We've already talked about that. But in the commercial aspect, sometimes that is all not that important, because noise, well, they're not going to be listening to it because they don't sleep here, or it's not going to be bugging them because they don't sleep here, right? If they're at work and it's a little bit noisy, big deal. So let's go ahead and show you what this looks like when we're all done. But I'm glad that we had an installation where we are actually doing a curb adapter and where it makes sense to do. So let's go ahead and get to it. There it is so far, right? Took the old unit off, and we put down this curb adapter, which you can imagine is rated to take the weight of the new unit, which is going to be 500 pounds or whatever. And we seal it all up on the inside and the outside. You can see it right here, sealed. And then we reroute our thermostat wire somewhere else so we can connect to it. But that's what it looks like so far. Crane is here. You can see his way out there. So we're gonna set the new one here shortly. There it is, the new baby coming up. Got the crane right here. Yes, sir. Another beautiful day in the Valley of the Sun. It's mid-fall and still pretty hot. All right, so there is the finished product, right? We have the new curb down there. We've got the new unit. It really bugs me when folks do not run an independent drain line for each unit. I can't express how much that bugs me. Something was going on with the last unit, obviously, that it was having some serious draining issues. It could be the fact that it's plugged in to a bunch of other ACs. I don't know why they do that. Again, it's just very unprofessional, and I would rarely ever recommend that. If possible, just run your own condensation line, because if one backs up, or if it backs up along anywhere, it will back up all three, and you'll probably have leakage on all three, right? Or something like that. Or it's just the fact that it'll clog up a lot faster because it's got 3 times the condensation versus just one unit. Anyways, that's enough of that. We got the new electrical going into the box. Excuse me. But again, that's what that looks like when you end up going with a curb adapter and not an elbow. We already talked about the reasons why we make the exception when You know, it would have to change a lot of engineering, and either the commercial people are leasing the property don't want to get into that, or they don't have the right to do that. So that's pretty much it, y'all. In a non-related, what do you guys think about these boots right here? Yes, sir. Are they in or are they out? I don't know. I had somebody comment about my boots a long time ago. Now I got some new ones, semi-new ones. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.